But at the time I was working for Richardson Design Partnership, I was, or RDP, and I was project architect for them. Internal glazing unit, the IGU. And that space in between was getting so hot that it was basically cooking the art glass and the materials that mold the glass together. And we were starting to see from the outside, some of the glass was starting to sag and fall apart. And we wanted to come up with a solution where we could possibly remove the stained glass and retrofit it, fix it, and then reinstall it in that same system. And so as we got discussing it, we knew that we needed early on someone who was familiar with that glazing system. We also knew we needed someone who was familiar with the art glass. And Reed had recommended Scott to us. And we also had someone, Holdman Studios, who does a lot of stained glass on the temples for the LDS Church. And having Scott on there was just invaluable. He came up with a method to install the retrofitted art glass back into the window system, and we were able to do it in a way that we didn't have to remove the entire system. We only needed to remove a portion of it, and that saved the client, in this case the LDS Church, a ton of money. And we were able to do it in a way that they were able to keep portions of the temple still functioning, while Scott removed the glazing system, or the portion of the glazing system, and we reinstalled it. So the temple could still function, portions of it. We kind of phased it in a way, and Scott gave tons of recommendations on how to do that, and the project got done a lot faster and a lot more efficient, and with a lot less cost than I was expecting.